What's going on, everybody? Day 4 of the coronavirus shutdown, and we're going crazy. We're turning trucks back to stock. It's nuts. Nah, I'm just kidding. Just not really affecting us over here too much. Luckily, this is a house, not a just our shop, so it's not really like we're shut down too much. So we're still able to film and do some fun stuff. This is that dually that we were working on a while back that you guys saw. Got tune, exhaust, lift pump, all that good stuff. It's a long story. It's getting sold, so we're taking a bunch of stuff off. So this truck needs to get done tonight. I'll show you what else is going on in the shop. I got Austin here helping me, and yeah. So we have, this is an LML. We got an LMM in here. Oh, fix yourself. There you go. So we got this LML in here, which you've seen by the beginning of the video. Our shop manager, new banner. This is getting full works by HSP, which we are now a dealer for. So for any of you guys the HSP needs, yeah, let me know. Basically, I know I didn't film too much, but we just got the up pipe out, down pipe, kind of all that good stuff. Most of the top of the motor taken apart. We're almost down to the Y bridge. This one isn't a crazy rush. My weeks have been kind of crazy with school and the shutdown and everything that's going on, but basically gonna have a lot more time for truck content. The dually build is gonna happen probably here soon. I got things drawn up so I can start cutting some plates and getting those welded on, and then yeah, so this is getting the full works, which you guys have seen the tear down, maybe not on an LMM so much, so I apologize for skipping that. But basically we'll be covering the rest of it, the install, the hard parts, the rest, the top stuff coming off. You guys have seen that. You know people who pull down pipes and up pipes and all that stuff. And all I gotta say is pull the dipstick tube first for the transmission. All I gotta say, and you guys will know if you've done this before what I'm talking about. Anyways, so today we are going to pull the switch out of the LML and repin it. So it's kind of what we're gonna do. Not gonna film it too much. You guys watch the install. We're just basically reversing the steps, and it should be good to go. So we'll catch up in a little bit and see what else we can get done today. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me, but we just wrapped up this LML, and it's actually in a regen right now. We're forcing a service regen right now, which it can leave you stranded. It's probably really loud, but this is something that can leave you stranded on the side of the road. So, you know, it's a pain in the ass, really, having the DPF and everything if it won't regen by itself. So we're running a service regen on this, which you want to make sure the hood's open, there's nothing near the exhaust or anything, and then you need like a scanner or something. I'm filming. No. Yeah. No. So as I was saying, the DPF can totally leave you on the side of the road. I know it's kind of late. I didn't really film too much today. We'll have a better video coming out later. Wrapping up for the day. It is a Sunday. We had some issues just getting the tune back to stock on the truck, so got it all figured out. Gonna hit the road and go home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video just to see how crazy it is. Now you do need the hood open and the exhaust free and clear because it does get super hot, so it's just something to be careful of. If you enjoyed the video, coronavirus, drop a thumbs up if you're new here. Please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you later with some more content coming soon. There's the HHR, kind of died. Should do a video on that soon. Alright guys, I'm out. Peace.